Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Lipaholic channel. It's me, Adele, and if you're a returning subscriber and viewers, hi, welcome back. Today, or tonight already, we are going to open this box and we'll see what's inside it. But let me show you how tall this box is. So let's see what's inside. So we're going to open this box. This is one of my wish list plants, and I ordered this 2nd of November. And they deliver it on Thursday, and it's just arrived today. So November 2nd of November I ordered this, and Thursday, is it 7th of November? 7th of November they kinda started packing and delivering it, I think. And now I got it today, Saturday. So not bad. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It arrived like 5:30 at night time. Sorry, I'm looking at the clock. Oh, this is so hard. So guys, what do you think did I order from my wishlist plant list? I did say that I'm still kind of like looking for other plants, but because it's starting to really get cold, that's why I think this will be this, and the other two that's supposed to come on Monday will be Monday and Tuesday, I think, will be my last plant order for winter. Or not just winter, but autumn winter. Oh god, it's a bit hard, wait. I'm also too sleepy. That's what it is. Whoa! Okay guys, guess what did I order from my wish list? Any guess? Any guess? It's so pretty. Oh, so they packaged it well. I don't know if you can see it. They packaged the plant well. And it's in a, hopefully there's no address. It's in a pot there. Look, it's Monstera Standlleyana, or they call it sometimes Philodendron Cobra. So guys, if you can't find any Monstera Standlleyana, it will be under the name Philodendron Cobra. Sometimes Monstera Standlleyana is quite expensive, so if you look for Philodendron Cobra, you'll get it a bit kind of like cheaper. How do I get it out? They really package it well. I haven't really ordered in this company before. This is my first time. But it's really promising. Unfortunately, oh, it's kind of like I'm too tired. So I can't even budge it. I'm going to kind of like take this out and I'll see you later. So it's out of the box now and let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. There's some browning of the leaves and we got a casualty here. Okay. So that's it, guys. It says on the receipt it's Philodendron Cobra green, but as you can see, it got variegation. I don't know if you can see that. There's variegation on the leaves, so it's not really Philodendron Cobra green, but it have variegation on the leaves. Yeah, it looks nice. I'm happy with that. Plus only one leaf casualty. And yeah, this is where I ordered the plant and they gave me a tulip. So that's nice. They have a gift. This is the first time I think that I ordered online and they gave me an extra. So, oh my god, it's so pretty. That's my Monstera Standlleyana and I hope it survived this winter. Thank you guys for joining the unboxing today or tonight, and thank you for watching my videos, and hopefully you keep watching more videos from me. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and please comment down below if you like Monstera Standlleyana also, or what Monstera is your favorite. Okay, bye, see you next time. Okay, bye, see you next time. Yeah. Bye guys, sorry I'm really tired now. Bye.